If you're anything like me, you want to pickle your radishes. Or maybe you just want to try a new and easy side dish that's actually pretty healthy. Maybe you saw one of these guys in your local grocery mart and were absolutely mesmerized. Well, here's how I pickle my radishes. Here's what you're gonna need. 1 pound of peeled radishes, preferably Korean, but daikon is fine too. 1/3 of a cup of sugar. You can use sugar replacements such as honey as well. 1/3 of a cup of vinegar, plus 1 additional tablespoon. And a tablespoon of salt. Make sure you use white vinegar for this. Finally, add 3/4 of a cup of water, and then you can shake it all about. When cutting the radishes into cubes, I like to go for bite-sized pieces. And now after you combine your radish and brine, fill it all into an airtight container and let it settle. I like to have it marinate and infuse overnight. And on the next day, there we go, your radishes are pickled. Typically, these are eaten with fried chicken, but for me they work great as a side dish for anything else as well. Go wild, there are no rules here. Thanks for watching. I hope you get your radishes pickled really well too.